Hey guys, today I'm really excited to show you the game which is PUBG mobile version which has recently launched in the Play Store officially for India, and it's a really popular game and fun game to play. So without any delay, let's begin the video. So PUBG mobile version, which stands for PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, is derived from the insanely popular PUBG PC game. And when it came out for the PC, millions and millions of people were playing this game, and this is an open world battle royale game which has players all over the world and they can play online together, and it is really fun. Sooner, due to its immense popularity, the game arrived on iOS first and then it got to Android for select countries. And now it is officially available for India on the Google Play Store. So now let's get started with this game, and I logged in with my Facebook account and we have got to select our looks in the game and then continue. I have my graphics set to low on my phone, and one more thing to mention, that you get a daily sign-in bonus and some rewards too. So let's get started with a match right now. And while I'm playing this game, I will also give you an insight of how this game works, like what are some of the rules in the game and everything. So in each match there will be just 100 people joined inside the airplane who are playing online on the map, and everyone has to survive in this game and get weapons and supplies and basically strive as long as possible in the game. You can find the map in the top right corner and jump whenever you feel like and whenever you want to land, and once you are off the parachute you have to hunt for supplies and guns and then kill people. And whenever you kill a person, you can have their guns, painkillers, ammunitions, clothes for yourselves. And one important rule of the game is that the play area map will start to shrink in size every few minutes, and you will be also notified about that. So if you are out of the blue circle of the play area, then you will have to run towards the center, because if at once you are out of the play area map, you will be dead in the game very soon. And while you are playing the game, you also encounter a lot of items which you can keep in your inventory, like different kinds of clothes, bags, small guns to big rifles, and all kinds of ammunitions and painkillers are available for you to keep in your bag. And you also get a wide variety of vehicles, so you can travel in the game as well in a bike or a car or even a truck. And guys, this was my first try at this PUBG game, and I tried to kill only one person in that match, and later I got better at this game too. So I would say this is a must try game, and it's really fun to play as well in single player mode and also multiplayer mode. The link to download the game from the Play Store is in the description box below this video, and guys, do hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.